Spinazzi. I walked into the bank of the winter solstice and shouted, "Happy birthday, Joseph Stalin!" This is a sticker. Everyone on the floor. Today I'm interested in the prophets, not people. About time we hit the banks. They have us all by the short hairs. Hope you're listening down there. This is revolution. La prossima è un altro arcano. Arcano su un grande compagno americano, africano-americano, Amiri Baraka, che è morto in gennaio 9 di quest'anno. The Amiri Arcane, in memory of Amiri Baraka, 1934-2014. 1. To give it out and keep on keeping on giving it out with savvy and sound-wise, profoundly, in demotic slang of a people whose fires made all the people of here and now for 20 score years jump for joy and knock out the window. Sing for song be being, as he read early on in Ray Rilke. And how true is this brother of a king, the Level Everett, the Leroy, who became Amiri, the emir of poetry, and the brother of the challenger, the overturner, Amira, our Lord and King, His Majesty be exalted. 2. Bringing it to the page a score, that old new thing made of slave memory, the spittle of horse in the mouth and horn of the sex of the saxophony of Charlie Parker. Oh blues, 'cause one abused, son of a best of the black who knew the subtleties of your smooth gradations. How low down can be so low and so far down. To come up for air, you hear, is to be higher than over a dam, and even when she keener. Talk about the blues, oh baby, we got. I mean, you heard of that black hole in the sky? Well, Amiri's goings left one hell of a blue hole in the gut of the human soul. His rage right on. His litany ran, fight back against the right-wing attack. A titan plowing into the iceberg of white supremacy. Whether a vanguard in lit, blackguard in poetry, or vanguard in unity, struggle, unity, creating in Diab's the Vodou steps, the Potomitan, the center pole of workers, under the direction of the working class, as backward yet black forward amid block words it all seems spinning toward, and the screw of fascism tightens every day, still his who asked a question and somebody blew up America that all of us know the answer to. So what are we waiting for? Nothing? No it, you lover. No I, to lover. Revolution, andiamo.